Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix audio on Steam games. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To fix audio issues in Steam games, you can follow these general troubleshooting steps. So the first guide would be, launch the Steam game experiencing audio issues. Navigate to the in-game settings or options menu. Look for audio settings and ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. But I think default is still the great choice as well. Another guide, open the Steam client and go to your library. Right-click on the problematic game and choose Properties. Go to the installed files and click on Verify integrity of game files. Steam will check and replace any corrupted or missing game files. Another tip, ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your sound card or motherboard manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Another guide tip, verify that your system sound settings have the correct input and output devices selected. On Windows, right-click on the speaker icon. On the taskbar, choose Open Sound Settings and confirm the devices. Another tip, close the Steam client and restart it. Launch the game again and check if the audio issues persist. Another guide, in Windows Sound Settings, under the Advanced, on All Sound Device, then Output Device, choose the device you're using for output sound of your playback device. Make sure to allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Another tip, some games have separate in-game audio controls. Ensure that the game's audio settings match your preferences. Now, if all else fails, uninstall the problematic game and reinstall it from Steam. Another tip, ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date, as outdated graphics drivers can sometimes affect audio performance. Now, visit the game's official forums or community discussions to see if others are experiencing similar audio issues and if there are specific solutions. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.